Matandaan mo tamatya na di ba pag-estado, ang sulumata mo, sabihan mo, lumipat na upang so, linipan ko kasi bayo ko. Ito naman suporta kanako. At yung medigo so, maging malabuhi pag-iyabe kaya upang. So, sabi natin, medyo malambot man, pero baka naman experience mo na talaga yung magpinawa pala. Pero ang legacy ritual mo, kini manatili ng iba, mga dedikasyon. So, gano'n po, gano'n naman, kasi nung galing na. Yung pamanuluan, kasi kaya bigyan yung teacher ni Ate Sen. So, wala pa brila talaga ng perfect. Kaya gana-gana. Kaya bago labo ng malunggot ko eh. Sabi ko kaya, Ate Sen, minula ka pang nagritiro ako. Ipatsinilipat ko ka yan ay minula ka pang alako. So, nung naman itang ginawa kaya ni Ate Sen ng mga lago at mga timang papagpunan, siguro kita naging partner mo ni kaya tamang pamayabe-yabe. So, Ate Sen, tandaan mo, ang kaluguran na kaya sabi mo ng nabe-yabe. Lalo ko, nandiyan kang makatuna ka bali, pasyal-pasyal. So, alam mo, yung panganatabi mo kayo ni Adjo Pamuri. Pasibayo, kaluguran na so, binami.
Isa pa pong mensahe, ma'am, galing sa amin, yung mga kasama ko dito, babasahin ko, ma'am. 25th day of March 2014, ma'am, we will always treasure the moments we've been together in this school. We will miss your dedication and your work. You're such a meticulous teacher. Everybody knows that. We idolize the sharpness of your eyes, the neatness of your work, and the firmness of your words. Good luck and have the best health always. Love, your colleagues in Kupang Elementary School. Ito po yung natin certificate para kay Ma'am Sen. Babasahin ko rin. The Department of Education, Region 3, Division of Pampanga, Arayat East District, Kupang Elementary School, presents the certificate of recognition to Zenaida B. Parabasan in recognition to her 36 years of valuable and exemplary service as elementary school teacher of Arayat East District. She serves as an inspiration and a model to the institution and community. Given this 25th day of March in the year of our Lord 2014 at Kupang Elementary School, Kupang, Arayat, Pampanga. Signed, Joel D. Lala, the school principal, and Bernadette B. Mayo, the school's district supervisor. Legacy ng magnet, still, dahil may tukulan na yung estudyante na bakit pa yun? Ang katagyo pala yan!
And I
Ang isang sobra-sobra. Dakal na dakal. Salamat.